In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create security group and attach it to a running instance without stopping it. So we have our EC2 instance running and we want to attach a new created security group to it without stopping it. So first of all, we go to your EC2 dashboard. You scroll down and find security group. So let's go into security group. Okay, and then we create security group. Okay, so we're gonna name this security group. Let's call this Bashan host hyphen SG. Okay, so and then we give it a name or describe it. Okay, we can describe it same as the name. So just to also tell what it's doing, and add this for dev team. Yeah, something like that. Again, make sure the VPC is in the same the security group VPC is this in the same VPC as the EC2 instance. Okay, so they need to be in the same VPC. The EC2 you're going to attach the security group, and the security group you are creating has to be in the same VPC. In this case, I'm using a default VPC, so I'll select that. Okay, the inbound rule, what rules do you want to allow into the EC2? So basically for this one, if you are saying we want to allow, let's say, SSH into the VPC, sorry, into the EC2, we go for type as SSH. Okay, and then we're gonna allow um, anywhere IPv version 4, or if you want, you can have a custom one and then choose where do you want this IP range to be coming from. Okay, that's the source. If you want it to come from, let's say, let's pick a CIDR range of, we want everyone on this range, let's say on this source security group to be able to SSH. Okay, we pick that, and then we can describe that to allow SSH from the dev group SG, something like that. Okay, you can add as many as you want, what ingress you want to allow. Again, for example, if you want to allow a pin, let's say ICMP, you can allow that. So you trying to ping this EC2 instance, you can allow that. Okay, from where? Okay, you can pick your range. Let's pick this range, and then again you can describe that. Once you are happy, the outbound is always set for you. So remember, security group is stateful. The traffic coming in are allowed to go out. Okay, so this is why we set this. Okay, you can ignore that, and all you need to do is to create. Okay, so once this security group is created, you can confirm that and then just check the outbound rules. Same thing. Right, the next thing is to go to the EC2. So if you scroll to the top and look for instances, okay, you check the box of the instance you want to attach this new security group. You go to the top right corner and select action. Under the action, you pick what we call security, and then you say change security group. Okay, and in here you can search for the security group you've created. So you look for the security group, which we call ours as Bashan SG, select that, and you need to add the security group. You could see that security group is now added or associated with the network interface of the instance. Okay, so if you want to remove the previous one, here is the button, you can click on it to remove it, but here we are only adding, so we good. Okay, the only thing you need to do is to save these changes. Okay, now you are cooking on the gas. If you scroll down, we check that security tab, you come here, where is security group? Let's refresh it, to be honest, so you'll be able to see that changes. Let's refresh that quickly. 1 second. and then you can see that security group is now attached. Okay, after the refresh, we can see that it's been attached. Okay, so I think that is all I want to show you. It's a short video. I hope somebody somewhere this will be helpful to you. I will say keep commenting on my video. If you want me to do specific one, let me know. Happy learning. Please subscribe as well. Bye bye.